VXN News can confirm that tensions along the Cambodian-Thai border, which have escalated in recent weeks, are now subject to diplomatic efforts, according to comments made today by Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Manet. Sources on the ground reported a surge in military activity along the disputed border regions in late October, with unconfirmed reports of cross-border artillery fire and troop movements. The situation prompted growing concern from international observers, particularly regarding the potential for a wider regional conflict and the humanitarian impact on border communities. Prime Minister Manet, addressing the nation in a broadcast earlier today, stated that his government did our utmost to de-escalate the situation, engaging in direct dialogue with Thai officials in order to reach a peaceful resolution. While details of the agreement remain scarce, there are indications that both nations have agreed to a phased withdrawal of troops from the immediate border area, with increased monitoring by international peacekeeping forces. However, analysts are urging caution, pointing to historical border disputes and deeply entrenched nationalistic sentiments that could reignite the conflict. Humanitarian organizations are also appealing for unimpeded access to affected communities, citing potential shortages of food, water, and medical supplies due to the recent instability. The international community hopes that the initial steps towards de-escalation will hold. Thank you for listening. Please follow or subscribe to get more updates from VXN News.
អាដាមប្រធានាធិបតី Donald Trump ដែលបានព្រួយផ្ដើមនឹងជួយឲ្យមានបទចម្បាញ់ហើយតិចទៀតនឹងអាចឈានទៅដល់ការបញ្ចប់ចុះកិច្ចព្រមព្រៀងសន្តិភាពនៅម៉ាឡេស៊ីបើសិនជាមានអីប្រែប្រួលទេនៅថ្ងៃ26ខាងមុខអរគុណទៅដល់ថ្នាក់ដឹកនាំចិនដែលបានចូលរួមយ៉ាងសកម្មនៅក្នុងកិច្ចព្រមព្រៀងនោះដែរដែលបានចូលរួមគ្រប់គ្រងនិងសហការយ៉ាងសកម្មនិងល្អប្រសើររហូតសម្រេចបាននៅមរតកវិទ្យានេះអង្គញាបានឆាយជួនហើយឆ្វេងស្ដាប់ហើយឆ្វេងស្ដាប់ហើយឆ្វេងស្ដាប់លឹមសម្បត្តិទីគឺឯកឧត្តមលោកជំទាវលោកអ្នកអង្គញាលោកជំទាវដែលឯកឧត្តមលេងសុធាលោកអង្គអេង